Give the locations of asymptotes and holes. The first thing we're going to do is identify the horizontal asymptote, if any. Since we can do this looking at the equation, this is a reminder here, our horizontal asymptotes are based on the degree of the numerator and the degree of the denominator. Since the degree of the numerator is 2 and the denominator is also 2, we have a degree that is equal. So in order to find our horizontal asymptote, we are going to have y equals the leading coefficient of p, which is the numerator, which in this case is 1, divided by the leading coefficient of q, which is our denominator, which is also 1. So that's going to equal 1. So y equals 1 is our horizontal asymptote. To identify our hole, we are going to factor the top and the bottom. So to factor the top, we have x minus 8 and x plus 3. On the bottom, we have the difference of 2 squares, so that's x minus 8 and x plus 8. Okay, to simplify this expression, we can cancel out the x minus 8 over x minus 8, and that leaves us with x plus 3 over x plus 8. Our asymptote is based on the value that will make our new denominator equal 0. So when x plus 8 equals 0, then x equals negative 8. So our asymptote, our vertical, is at negative 8. For the hole in our graph, we're going to use the factor that canceled out in the numerator and denominator. So the one that we divided out was x minus 8. So when x minus 8 equals 0, then x equals 8. That is our x value for our hole. In order to find the y value for our hole, we're going to plug 8 into our simplified expression. So we have 8 plus 3 over 8 plus 8, which equals 11 over 16. So our y value is 11 over 16.